Have you ever tried to run your Node.js backend and Angular frontend, only to find they are stuck on different ports? It can be really frustrating, especially when you encounter cross-origin request blocked issues. If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to run both your Node.js app and Angular on the same port. I completely understand your concern. Many developers face this issue when they are just starting out. It can feel overwhelming when you follow tutorials, but things just don't work as expected. You're definitely not alone in this. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, is it possible to run a Node.js app and an Angular frontend on the same port? They mentioned that they followed the Angular Quick Start tips, but ended up with both applications running on different ports, leading to cross-origin request blocked issues. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So why does this happen? When your backend and frontend are on different ports, the browser sees them as separate origins, which leads to those pesky cross-origin request blocked errors. But don't worry, we can fix this by using a proxy configuration in Angular. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will make your development process smoother and more efficient. To run both the Node.js server and the Angular application on the same port, the user needs to set up a proxy configuration in the Angular application. This will allow the Angular app to communicate with the Express server without any cross-origin issues. Next, the user should modify the Angular development server command to include the proxy configuration. This will ensure that requests to the API are routed correctly. Now, the user needs to ensure that the Express server is set up to handle API requests. This involves defining routes in the Express application that correspond to the Angular requests. Finally, the user can start both the Angular application and the Express server. They should run the Angular app using the modified start command and start the Express server in a separate terminal. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of a proxy server dates back to the early days of the internet? It's a clever way to manage requests and improve security. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests keeping your Node.js and Angular projects separate while still allowing access to the client-side project from within the Express project. You can achieve this by creating a symlink from your Angular build directory to your Express project directory. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your proxy configuration handy when developing with Angular and Node. It can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You can now run your Node.js server and Angular frontend on the same port without any issues. Remember, using a proxy configuration is key. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more development hacks.